Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share the latest innovation from Griot's Garage, our super concentrated car wash pods. These amazing little pods contain all the liquid you need to ensure a safe, effective car washing process with no measuring, no waste, and unrivaled simplicity and convenience. Do you ever find yourself guessing how much car wash you actually need for a safe car wash? Or do you simply dump enough soap into a bucket to create suds, then wonder why you've gone through a bottle of car wash so quickly? Most 64-ounce car wash bottles are recommended to use 4 to 6 ounces of concentrate per wash, with some asking you to use 9 to 12 ounces per wash. Are you getting 16 washes out of the most efficient of those washes? Probably not. You're not alone, and unless you can measure fluid ounces perfectly with your naked eye, chances are you're wasting product and money. Our super concentrated car wash pods eliminate the guesswork and simplify using the right amount of wash concentrate every time. Using too much car wash concentrate not only creates waste and increases your cost per wash, but even a pH neutral concentrate can compromise surface protection if too much is added. Pods have become a pretty familiar delivery method for other uses such as laundry detergent and dishwashing, and definitely provide excellent waste reduction in those use cases. Our super concentrated car wash pods are extremely efficient and are critically pH neutral to ensure that they won't strip or diminish surface protection. One singular pod can make up to 4 gallons of super slick, sudsy wash solution in a traditional hose and bucket method. These pods can also be used in your favorite foaming tool, such as a foam cannon or foaming sprayer, taking another cumbersome measuring process off the board and expanding their utility. For a hose and bucket method, simply toss a pod into your wash bucket and add up to 4 gallons of water, focusing your hose stream on the pod to accelerate dissolution of the water-soluble film. By the time your bucket is full, you'll be ready to get right to washing. For foaming methods, drop 2 pods into your favorite foaming tool and fill the reservoir with water. Typical reservoirs are approximately 32 ounces, and once it is full, secure the lid and prepare your other washing accessories while the pod dissolves over 1 to 2 minutes. Once you see the pod burst, shake the reservoir well and foam away. It can't be any easier to mix up your car wash solution, avoiding measuring cups, messes, and wasted product. The pods come in a child-resistant, resealable bag that contains 18 pods. It is best to store them in a dry location and avoid spilling water into the container. And, as an unfortunate sign of the times, we're forced to acknowledge that while our pods smell excellent, they are not intended to be consumed. So please, don't eat them. If you're familiar with pods and other uses throughout your home, you'll probably ask the same question we did, which was, why hasn't anyone thought of this sooner? Our super concentrated car wash pods are an awesome innovation in addition to the car care industry, adding convenience and precision to your car washing process while protecting your wax and wallet from unnecessarily wasted car wash concentrates. For more information and reference materials, check out our how-to section on griotsgarage.com and sign up for our emails for new product releases and special promotions. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.